welcome back to our news. This is FM Show. So, yesterday, the former public service CS Justin Muturi handed over the office of the minister to the Foreign Affairs Minister Musalia Mudavadi. So, Justin Muturi yesterday in a well-occasioned event came ahead and gave out the document of leading that office to the current CS for Foreign Affairs, that is Musalia Mudavadi. Kenyans have went ahead and showered praises to Muturi as he handed over the office. President William Ruto dismissed Justin Muturi on March 26 and replaced him with nominated Mbeere North Member of Parliament Geoffrey Ruku. After his dismissal, Muturi handed over public service docket to Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi. Some Kenyans took to social media to praise the former Cabinet Secretary for his courage in criticizing the government over its shortcomings. The Kenyans have taken to social media to shower former public service cabinet secretary Justin Muturi with praises after he officially handed over his office to the Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi. During the handover, Muturi expressed his gratitude to all those who supported and contributed to strengthening the public service docket. I sincerely appreciate everyone in the ministry who supported and contributed to our effort to strengthen the public service. It was an honor to serve, Muturi said. This comes days after President William Ruto dismissed Muturi and appointed nominated Mbeere North Member of Parliament Geoffrey Ruku as his replacement. However, before his dismissal, Muturi had been launching attacks against the Ruto-led Kenya Kwanza government, criticizing it over extrajudicial killings and abductions. Some Kenyans took to social media to commend Muturi for his stance while serving in Ruto's cabinet. I will read some comment. Corey, well done. And he said, thank you for your service. Moku, all the best. Mensa said, and board, walk with your head held high. Dan Santos said, Honorable Justin Muturi, you had a good run at the right time, but on the wrong team. So, what's next? JB, we are waiting to hear from you. Mwanapili said, you are a honorable man. Farewell. Jeff Kimani, your actions of standing up against the rogue Kasongo regime will always be remembered in history. Zohuku said, but sir, why did you resign? Why didn't you resign? I respect you manly for that. All in all, you did your best. Kila laheri. So, Mr. President, why? Why should Muturi suffer the consequences? Why should you fire Muturi? And you went ahead and took a man from his political party, the only nominated member of parliament in Muturi's party, that is the DP party, the Democratic Party. Not the DP, the deputy president, but the DP, that is the Democratic Party. Mr. President went ahead and nominated Mbeere North Member of Parliament Geoffrey Ruku, who has been very vocal on radio stations and in TVs, defending even the undefendables. He has been defending President William Ruto in the housing levy tax. He has defended William Ruto in everything that the president has been doing. The member has been very quiet on abductions, and whenever he is in an interview, do you bring the question of questioning President William Ruto's government. This man, ako tayari hata mpigane ngumi. He is not a coward in supporting William Ruto because he knew that President Ruto, we all say politics is a dirty game, but the key word in politics, we say that loyalty pays. So the president has went ahead and rewarded the loyalty of Geoffrey Ruku in his government by taking away the political party leader of his political party and replacing him with Geoffrey Ruku. So what do you think? For me, I think Geoffrey Ruku will not remain to be afraid of Justin Muturi, because why should I keep you and you have been fighting me? You have taken my position. Why should you be my friend? You are here. You see, Geoffrey Ruku is the one that goes. You see people as friends, they see you as competition. So Geoffrey Ruku has been seeing Justin Muturi as competition this whole time, because in Embu County, their vote. It's a place rich with vote. So Geoffrey Ruku, he sees the relevance that Muturi has, or the influence that Muturi has over their Embu people, and he wanted it. And at long last, the president is trying to give it to him. So Geoffrey Ruku, who is going to replace Muturi. And Muturi, he is a man of his words. He is a man known to stand firm. They abducted his son Leslie, and there is no way in earth Muturi is going to bow to the president and to be given that docket back. He said, enough is enough. You decided to start a war, come, I will give you one. So Muturi went ahead and handed over the office yesterday, and he left and he went away to continue with his businesses. And we all know Muturi will not be quiet. He will come out, he will oppose, he will bring Lego framework to the president, and the president will definitely suffer from dismissing Muturi from that cabinet. So my guys, what do you think? What do you think? Was Muturi right to hand over the office, or he would have knelt down and begged back for the office? Leave a comment on the comment section. Share, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.